Sure you go to YouTube and subscribe to Sawdust and Wood, and make sure you go to TikTok and subscribe for more content.
Your extension cord always tangled up. You feel like every time you take it out, it takes you 10 or 15 minutes to untangle it. Let me show you a way to wrap your cord that is going to eliminate all your issues. First off, you just want to get you a stick, a piece of wood, a broomstick. You take your cord, put it like this in your hand, put it about center of the stick. Then we wrap bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top. Just like this. Wrap that whole cord up. You can slide it up. I need a little more room. This is a long cord. Got it here. Look, I can plug my two ends together. Just like this. That cord is done. Wrapped. Pick it up when you want to use it again. Good to go. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share these videos. We're on the road to 100.